Captain, the temperature of main engine number 4 cylinder underside is abnormal. Please check the main engine in the nearest port.
Well understood. I'll checking and then reporting you.
The perfect system for correctly detecting device failure in ships in advance. e-CBM accumulates the constantly changing status data from every device on a ship and control server in real time. The data on the control server is analyzed by a new big data process failure prediction algorithm. Possible defect occurrence of each device can be found immediately based on the analyzed data. Users can manage the ship through the analysis results whenever and wherever. This system aims for the perfect prevention of accidents. We have considered perfect ship management as we have been through Korea's shipping history. PMS, the first system introduced, succeeded to organize unstable ship management. However, all the problems were not solved by PMS. Multiple devices working in various environments have their own conditions, and the ships need a system that can control all of them. And we have exceeded the limits of PMS with the best big data experts. The power of big data has been proven for 3 years by accumulating a vast amount of real-time data. Furthermore, its results have been proven by its use in 35 ships. Proven systems provide proven efficiency. e-CBM use objective data to keep ships, owners, management companies, and crews out of danger from accidents. A differentiated system with monitoring in real time can give you more efficient management. Maintenance costs will decrease by using each part for the entirety of their exact lifespans. The safest system to do all of this, e-CBM. The best experts and the best technology lead the future of the ship management industry. Now, we will take you on a safe voyage.